this video, we will learn how to code falling enemies that the player will need to attack. First, let's import the enemy. So go down to choose a sprite and press paint. Then upload the costume. Now convert it to a vector and resize it. Now we want the bomb to randomly fall from a random location and at a random time. So go to this code. First, get a when start is clicked, and you want to create clones of itself so you can put multiple bombs. So use a forever loop to keep on going until the game is ended, and create a clone. And then when it starts as a clone, what you want to do is you want to go to a random X between a certain value and the top of the screen, and then fall down until it reaches the ground, or it touches one of the players, or the bullet. So what you do is you can take a forever loop, and you just want to change the X, the Y, by -3. And you want to, for now, start at the top of the screen and in the center of the screen. So 194. Now it will drop a bunch of bombs from the center of the screen, and these are all clones. So now we want them to spawn at random locations at the top of the screen. So you can make it go to an X, Y, which you already have, but you want the X to be a random number. So you can use pick random, which picks a random number between the starting and end value. So pick a random number between -230 and +230. So now we get random bombs spawning in random locations in the sky. Now what you want it to do is you want it to spawn at random times. So you can use a wait, so it waits for a certain amount of time before spawning a clone. And you can use a random to wait a random amount of times between 1 to 3 seconds. So every between 1 to 3 seconds, it will spawn a bomb at somewhere on the screen. Now we want the bomb to do is delete itself when it touches the ground. So you can use an if statement and check if the Y of the bomb, and you want to check if it's less than -170, because that's the bottom of the screen. Then what you want to do is you want to delete the clone, because then it's off the screen. So this will now delete the clone. So whenever a bomb reaches the bottom of the screen, the clone will be deleted. Now what you want to do is whenever it touches the player, it should also be deleted. So you can use an AND statement. So if the positions, we can use actually an OR statement to check if either of them happen. So if the Y position is less 170, or it's touching the player, then you want it to delete itself. So now if the bomb ever touches a player, it will delete itself. Lastly, if you want the bomb to delete itself when it hits the bullet, so you can check if, and if it's touching the weapon, then you want it to just delete the clone. So now when the bomb touches the weapon, it gets deleted. When it touches the ground, it also gets deleted. When it touches the player, it also gets deleted. Now, that's all for this video, and thank you for watching this video, and We'll see you in the last video of this series, in which we'll add a score counter and polish the game.